Someone wanted to start, otherwise I am going to proceed. दीपक, मनीष,
हेलो।
हाँ स्टार्ट कर रहे हो या मैं करूँ?
चलो मैं करता हूँ।
हाँ करो करो।
फर्स्ट डे तो इंट्रो बोलता हूँ पहले।
हम्म
हेलो एवरीवन,
इंट्रोडक्शन
माय
टॉपिक
नेम
दोनों बोलना।
Hello everyone, my name is Sunil. I am from Radhabad, Uttar Pradesh, which is also known as Kishan Nagri. I have completed my 12th from UP board. My hobbies are playing outdoor games and listening to the music. I want to join Indian Air Force because of it attracts me a lot and it is my childhood dream. Now I am going to discuss the topic love marriage and arranged marriage.
नो नो भाई, प्राइवेटाइजेशन ऑफ रेलवे।
यार कई कई रखे हैं, क्या करा जाए।
अब तुम ऐसा करो, तुम इस पे आ रहा है तो तुम इस पे बोल सकते हो। यू कैन प्रोसीड।
चलो मैं सुनता हूँ फिर बोलूंगा।
ठीक है। दीपक।
Okay. Good morning, gentlemen. Myself is Deepak, and I am from Secunderabad, and I have done my 12th class from UP Board from Jain Inter College. And I want to join Indian Air Force because I am interested in it, and I want to serve my country from Indian Air Force because Indian Air Force is my dream also. So now I want to give my view on privatization of railway. So first of all, I want to tell the privatization of railways started from first 10, 10 from last 2 years. So privatization of railway is necessary for improvement of railway condition and some improvements like as many pupils feel mismanagement in it. So, according to me, privatization in railway is required for us because our we all know that it is give a wrong impact on our economy and our government is not able to handle the Indian railway. So he thinks that our government take decision to Indian Railway to make a privatization in it, and he takes a 30,000 crore rupees from private sector and give the permission of them. So now I want to tell there are many advantages of it. With the help of privatization, the level of Indian Railway is improved because we all know that our economy is not good due to COVID-19 period. So when our railway make a privatization, so many improvement held in it. Like as many pupils there are many stations at railway is not clean, like as the lake of water is also in a railway sector and not good washrooms, so it is improved by privatizations because now I want to tell some demerits of it. We all know that Indian economics is depend on it and it is called backbone of Indian economy. So when it makes a privatization, so we lost a economy source which is required for our economy and it's give a wrong impact on it. So now I want to conclude, I want to say my topic that according to my perception, there are some merits and some demerits of privatization in railway. So first of all, government take a decision from many advices and it is good, mostly good, it is mostly good and give a opportunity to improve the number of employment also, because we all know that government is not able to provide employment for everyone. So when it make a privatization, so some number of employment is also increased. So at last I want to say that privatization in government is a good decision from the government side, and the private sector also should be improved in it. But we lost some. We lost, but we know that we lost a source of economy. It is wrong fact. That's all.
भाई दीपक सारे पॉइंट बोल दिए यार तुमने, अब मैं क्या बोलूं।
अरे, मतलब आपने बोला ही नहीं। मतलब जीडी में तो ऐसा होता है ना, एक दो पॉइंट मैं दूं फिर आप दो, या एक जब तक एक बोलना चाहे बोलता रहता है।
नहीं अभी भाई इंट्रोडक्शन और वो पार्ट होता है, इंट्रोडक्शन प्लस एब्स्ट्रैक्ट, उसमें किसी को मतलब यहाँ तो ये है कि जितना बोल सकते हो बोलो। वहां पे वो
अरे
अपने
नहीं,
आप
मैंने
स्टॉप
वो,
बोल देते हैं, वहां पे नेक्स्ट बोल देते हैं।
अच्छा, मुझे पता, फर्स्ट टाइम गया था वहां पर, जो एयरफोर्स वाला होता, वो एनडी वाला होता ना, उसमें तो बोलते रहो, मतलब नेक्स्ट वाला दूसरा बंदा आपको अपने आप रोकेगा कि आई एम एग्री विद यू एंड आई वांट टू ऐड दिस
वो
पॉइंट।
भाई
यहाँ
जीडी पार्ट, अभी ये इंट्रोडक्शन पार्ट चल रहा है, वो जीडी में होता है, वो
ये
जीडी में
जीडी तो
काटने
स्टार्ट
वाला
था
वो
था।
होता है। नहीं अभी
अच्छा,
इंट्रोडक्शन पार्ट चल रहा है ना, ये सबका
ओके ओके, आई
इंट्रोडक्शन है उसके।
तुम बता देते यार शुरू में ही, मैंने सोचा कि कोई बोल ही नहीं रहा जीडी में, शायद अलग अलग बोलना होगा सबको।
हाँ ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। मनीष, विकास, कोई बोल रहा है भाई, या मैं स्टार्ट करूँ फिर?
आप
हाँ
करो।
भाई तुम ही करो।
Good morning, friends, and my respected sir. My name is Rambaran. I am from Agra. I complete my intermediate from UP board with 81% mark, and recently I pursued from Dr. Bhimra Ambedkar College, Agra. My hobby is to playing cricket and reading novels. I am self-motivated and disciplined person. I want to join Indian Air Force because defense job is the most respected job.
गुड गुड।
Is that private? Hello. Today our topic is the privatization of railway. We can see that privatizations will lead to a better facilities, as we can see that Indian government has been invited to 190 sector in of railway to come into the private, and it will provide 30,000 crore investigation invest in our country. It will be beneficial for development of our country and our economy. So if we see that if we are going to any foreign country like America and some Sweden, Switzerland, we see that the cleanliness of their railway and the awareness is very high in comparison to our country. But if we are talking about in the past time of before the COVID-19, that our train is overcrowded and person is not getting in the general courses to sit to the coach. So this is happening by the privatizations. It will be lead to a better facilities, cleanliness. So this is a very good. But there is few challenges like we are talking that the most of the government employee has been said that after the privatization of railway, the cost of the ticket will be as equal to as the flight now. And so this if our government can manage the price, then it will be beneficial for the middle class and poor family, because this middle class and poor family is generally traveling from the Indian railway. Thank you.
ग्रेट यार, अच्छा बोला।
क्या क्या भाई,
क्या भाई?
कैसा रहा?
बढ़िया था, बढ़िया बोला। मतलब सीक्वेंस से बोला आपने, और थोड़ा, लेकिन फेशियल एक्सप्रेशन से वो लग रहा था मेरे को, लेक ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस,
वो
थोड़ा बीच बीच में
वो भाई
वो हो रहा था।
कॉल आ गई थी इसलिए।
अच्छा अच्छा, हाँ, बाकी ठीक था, वो हो जाएगा प्रैक्टिस से।
अगला कब स्टार्ट होगा टॉपिक, कोई सा?
कल स्टार्ट हुआ भाई, कल। अभी रह गए ना
Topic.
विकास और ये नरेश। बोलोगे क्या विकास और नरेश, या जीडी स्टार्ट करें?
Good morning, dear friends. My name is Naresh Kumar. Now I am pursuing BSc second year from Dr. B.R. Ambedkar.
नरेश, योर वॉइस इज नॉट ऑडिबल। आई
भाई
थिंक
माइक ऑफ हो
नेटवर्क इशू।
गया था।
नहीं, माइक तो ऑन है, शायद नेटवर्क इशू होगा। वॉइस इज नॉट कमिंग।
ईयरफोन दोबारा निकाल के लगाओ। बिल्कुल
तब
भी
तक
आवाज आ रही।
विकास, विकास बोलना चाहोगे कुछ? So I think we should move towards GD group discussion. So it is time to start group discussion. So let's start. Yes, Naresh, you are audible. Speak.
ओके, दोबारा से स्टार्ट करता हूँ भाई। Good morning, friends, and my respected sir. I am Naresh Kumar. I am from Agra, which is famous for Taj and Peta. In my education, I have completed my intermediate from UP Board in 2019, and now I am pursuing my BSc second year from Dr. B.R. Ambedkar University, Agra. In my family, there are 7 members in my family. We are 5 siblings, and my father and mother. My father is a farmer. My mother is a homemaker. Uh, if I talk about my hobbies, I don't have any particular hobby, but in my free time, I like playing cricket and playing with child. That too for the sake of entertainment only. Uh, I am self-motivated person and goal orientation, adaptability is my strong areas. Friends, today's topic is privatization of railway. Uh, as we know that privatization of railway is leads to the betterment of betterment betterment of the infrastructure and as we seen at the railway station, uh, washrooms and washrooms are dirty and railway stations are also dirty and as we see the water supply, it is also not good. So so our railway is goes to the end of private companies. It is a very good step of our country's government. Thank you, friends.
विशाल,
कोई और बोलो।
बोलो। विशाल शर्मा। मनु। विशाल।
भैया कल का टॉपिक बता दो मुझे।
अरे भाई, कल का ग्रुप में पता चलेगा, अभी नहीं, देख के बताना पड़ता है ना।
ठीक ठीक ठीक।
रैंडमली टॉपिक नहीं रखते हम। तो वी शुड स्टार्ट ग्रुप डिस्कशन, आई थिंक। मनु शर्मा। अरे भाई, जो नीचे माइक है उसको ऑन करो पहले, वो रेड है उसको ब्लू करो। मनु। वॉइस ऑन करना नहीं आ रहा सर। हाँ।
भाई हो गया। भाई बहुत देर में इनरोल किया मुझे।
अरे वो रिक्वेस्ट देखी नहीं थी ना वो।
अब आवाज आ रही है साहब?
हाँ।
चलो तो स्टार्ट करता हूँ मैं। जय हिंद sir and to all my friends. My name is Manu Sharma. I came from Muzaffarnagar, Uttar Pradesh. My father is a farmer and my mother is a housemaker. I have passed intermediate with 87% marks from UP board and secured third position in district merit. Now I am pursuing graduation from CCS University Merit. My hobbies are reading books and listening to the music. My dream is to join Indian Air Force because it gives me a golden chance to serve my nation. Now I am going to discuss on the topic privatization of railways. To give the responsibility of transport of railways in a hand of private companies is called privatization. In July 2020, our Indian Railways has invited to private companies to run the passenger trains on 109 train routes. It will be helpful for all passengers. The first private trains is Lucknow New Delhi Tejas Express. It will be started on July 2023. In general, Indian Railways is needs to be give a better experience and safe travel for students. So it is better to transfer the responsibility of Indian Railways to private companies. It will be better for us. The private companies will give less transport time and will less fare of transport. Uh, the but there is a negative side of privatization of railways. There will be there will be a the, there will be the equality between rich and the poor people will be deepened for this step. uh, the fare of the our government has announced that the fare of these private rails will be equal as the flight tickets, so the poor people will not be able to afford this fare. So this thing is for thinkable. We should think in this direction, and it is the responsibility of government. So he would limit the price, the fare of the trains, so that every people can afford the fare of trains. Thank you. भाई मैं स्टार्ट करूं अब?
भाई तुम्हारा ही इंतजार था। बड़े दिनों बाद देखे हो।
बड़े दिनों बाद देखी। अच्छा मैं Jai Hind, sir, and to all my friends. My name is Vishal. I belong to Muzaffarnagar, Uttar Pradesh. I have completed 12th in 2019. I am pursuing graduation from CCS University Meerut. My hobby is reading books and helping to the needy peoples. I am self-motivated and disciplined person.
Now the aim of my life is to join the Indian Air Force because after completing 12th, it gives a great opportunity to serve our nation. Now I would like to talk about the topic which has been given to me. The topic is privatization of railways. My views on this topic is like that. The responsibility of the transportation of railways gives to private companies is called privatization of railways. As we all know that every coin has two faces. Like this, every topic has two faces, some pros and some cons both. Now I am telling you benefits of privatization of railways. If the private companies comes in these sectors, they make much investment in this direction as they make more beautiful and facilitable infrastructure. So these companies provides many facilities and amenities to the travelers. These facilities makes very easier the travel of the pupils and save the time of the pupils. So I think if private companies comes, they have a competitor spirit in each other. So this is very useful for the travelers because the companies invest more in this direction. Thank you.
So I think everyone has finished their introduction part. So it is time to move group discussion. So let's start. Yes, most of my friend has been suggested that privatization is a good facility to providing to the citizen of our country. There is few challenges against the privatization which will need to recover of our government. And privatizations, I would like to tell that privatizations is not a new concept. It has been launched in some countries also, but it is not as high in other country like China has been private his all the trend, but after sometimes he has been governed to the all trend. So this is our government should also pay attention that how they can face to the problems which comes against the privatizations of railway. And we can see that there is a type of tax in our country: central government tax rates and state government tax rate. But if we are taking that government train will be run, then they have not pay any type of tax. But if the private train come, then they have to pay two type of taxes, and the train is runs over most of the state. Like if Kanyakumari to Chennai, uh, then they have to cross all the seven state. So the seven state means seven tax. So this is directly affected to the fare of the train. So how we can control it? It is the main question, I think.
Yes, you are right, my friend. I think that it was announced that it was announced that these trains will be manufactured in India under the Make in India program. So it will be very helpful for unemployed citizens of our India. They will get a good job. They will get a good job in this sector, and there can be competition in the private players. They can be able to give a good experience on the very a low fare for the trains. People can afford the fare of the trains. We know that the demands of ticket is more than supply. Very people are forced to be in waiting list and without any confirmation of seat. With this privatization of railways will be helpful for this situation. We after this we can supply meet with the demands. Okay.
Yes, friend, I agree with you. As whatever you have said, it is correct. You have implemented that the ticket, which is means I think the ticket is is not available to the travelers. So I think that Indian uh, government has been decided to the past system to change a new system. They have been announced that the person have to book a ticket from online mode, not offline mode. They have to, in past time they have booked a ticket on the platform. That's created the too much crowd in the general coaches, and this is time this is created more safety problem. So I think we should have a come this solution, but आप यार कुछ था भूल गया उसको.
Yes, my dear friend Ramaran, I want to say something. Privatization of railway should be there because uh, because in the hands of private companies, we we should gain the most more uh, more services like that better classrooms and berth should be there, and as we know that railway is the most important of for our Indian economy. So भाई मेरा तैयार नहीं है आज.
कोई बात नहीं यार, मेरे साथ ही है.
I am
Yes, I am agree with you, my dear friend. It will create more employment to the private sector. But I would like to say that as the employment which our government has been provided, like Group C, Group D, and others employment, it will not be provided to the government. It is not provided to the private sector, because the private sector is aimed to be earn more in comparison to government. Government want to provide the employment to the person, and also provided to the basic facilities and good things to the our citizen. But it is not aim. But private company will not think about the persons and about the peoples, that what will be happening after they are employment or not. They will be think about only themselves. So I think the government should think about the employment sector, because most of the vacancy are going to be not to be filled. At past time they have only just online applied. So this will create unemployment in our country, I think.
Yes, I am satisfied with my friend. Privatization of railways also helpful to reduce the problem of unemployment, because as we all know that at this time of pandemic, many of the people loses their job and they become unemployed. So privatization of railways comes, then the most of the people get a job, and they living their earnings. So this is very useful, and it is very useful in the direction to reduce the corruption in railways, because many of the pupils did not take tickets and travel without tickets. So this is a bad thing. This is a bad thing. If the private companies come, these types of things will reduce much.
क्या करें भाई, एंड करेंगे. कोई कंक्लूड देना चाहे? Someone wanted to conclude? भाई कौन
करो
करेगा?
रामनाथ, कंक्लूड कर दो रामनाथ.
बोलो मनु करेगा. आज मनु पे कंक्लूड करवाते हैं.
चलो भाई ट्राई करता हूँ मैं.
हाँ.
As all of us know that privatization of railways is good for us if some care and some cautions will be held, because if we know that government has announced that these trains will be manufactured in India. If they are not manufactured in India, then the parts of these trains will be import from other countries. That will be decrease our economy and will not helpful for our country. So some precautions should be necessary for privatization of railways. It will be good for us. So our show, and agar we do not take tickets and travel without tickets, so it is not good. We should, it is necessary that we should take tickets and pay rupees to privatization to railways, so that railways will progress and our country will progress. Thank you.
बढ़िया भाई बढ़िया।
अच्छा भाई, एक बात बताओ रामबरन,
हम्म।
शाम को 8:30 बजे रोज टीचर आते हैं? अब आप बता रहे थे सर आएंगे, वे रोज आते हैं?
हाँ भाई, आज आज का टॉपिक है वुमेन एम्प्लॉयमेंट। सर ने ही बताया है, तो उस पे आज डिस्कशन होगा।
अच्छा भाई, थोड़ा टाइम चेंज कर सकते हो शाम का?
भाई अब मेरे हाथ में तो है नहीं, वो सर ने टाइम बताया है, लेकिन पहले 8 बजे होता था, और 8:30 बजे कर दिया उन्होंने।
अगर 9 बजे हो जाए तो ज्यादा अच्छा रहेगा।
वो सर से डिस्कस कर ली ना।
नहीं सर से भाई, रामबन आप ही बात करके 9 बजे करवा देना टाइम।
नहीं भाई, मैं बात नहीं कर सकता, तुम खुद कर लेना ना, आज आना ग्रुप में वहाँ पे
किस टाइम
सर के पास।
आज 8:30 बजे कौन किस क्या टॉपिक है आज?
वुमेन एम्प्लॉयमेंट,
एम्पावरमेंट। अच्छा, कौन सर का नाम क्या है उनका?
एम्पावरमेंट।
सर का नाम
उनका
क्या है?
गरवाल सर। गरवाल गरवाल।
अग्रवाल। अग्रवाल।
नहीं, अग्रवाल नहीं, आर गरवाल।
हाँ समझ गया समझ गया।
हाँ।
सुबह का टाइम नहीं आते, शाम के टाइम ही आते हैं बस वो।
हाँ, ऐसा है ना, अभी तो इंट्रोडक्शन प्लस टॉपिक तैयार कर रहे हैं, वो फिर बाद में 2-2 घंटे कराते हैं, मतलब 2-2 टॉपिक एक साथ। जैसे एक
अच्छा
टॉपिक ये हो गया, उसके बाद फिर एक टॉपिक वो हो गया। ये है कि गलती जल्दी बता देते हैं, कैसे क्या करना है कैसे नहीं करना। पहले मैंने उन पे किया था, मैं ही रहा था उनके में, 15 बच्चे थे हम ग्रुप में, तो उसमें से 14 हो गए सेलेक्ट, में रह गया है SRT में।
अच्छा, ऑनलाइन ऑनलाइन लेते हैं या ऑफलाइन?
ऑनलाइन है भाई।
कौन
अच्छा
से?
नहीं, आप ऑनलाइन लेते थे कोचिंग या ऑफलाइन लेते थे?
हाँ, ऑनलाइन ही।
वे इस ग्रुप में हैं सर?
नहीं, वो टेलीग्राम पे है।
अच्छा, उनका मुझे लिंक सेंड करना है टेलीग्राम का।
हाँ
ठीक है भाई।
ठीक ठीक।
हाँ जी,
ये
आप
है,
कर
लेकिन
देना
क्या
सेंड।
तुम्हारा इंट्रोडक्शन चेंज करवा देंगे वो।
इतने तो सही कराएंगे, जो अगर गलती होगी तो ही तो चेंज कराएंगे।
हाँ
हाँ तो नहीं, जो भी जैसे बोलेंगे सही बोल देंगे हम, तो जैसे भी वो कहेंगे। आप लिंक सेंड कर दिए जरूर।
ठीक भाई ठीक।
टॉपिक रहेगा वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट।
हाँ, तैयार कर लेना, कह रही है।
हाँ ठीक है, अच्छे तैयार कर लेंगे। ठीक है भाई।
रामबरन,
ठीक। हाँ।
एक बार आपने जो एनडीए का पेपर क्लियर करा था, उसकी आपने कोचिंग भी ली थी?
नहीं भाई, मैंने कोचिंग नहीं।
और ना, मतलब ना तो रिटर्न एग्जाम की और ना एसएसबी की?
हम्म।
या घर से ही हो गया था, मतलब यार ऑनलाइन लेते होंगे कोचिंग?
हाँ, वहाँ पे SSB में ये है ना, वहाँ पे इंग्लिश इंग्लिश ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंस नहीं दी जाती वहाँ पे। ऐसा था, वहाँ पे ग्रुप डिस्कशन हुआ था, तो मेरे मुंह से रस्सी की वो रोप की जगह रस्सी निकल गई।
हम्म।
उनका ध्यान में नहीं गया, लेकिन कोई नहीं, वो एक आध पॉइंट ऐसे बोल दे तो उससे कुछ नहीं, फिर भी हो गया।
हम्म।
मार्क्स कम रह गए वैसे, नहीं अभी रिकमेंडेड हो जाते।
कोई नहीं, भाग्य में नहीं है यार अभी।
चलो, अब एयरफोर्स का डेट ऑफ बर्थ क्या, राम आपकी?
2002 है भाई।
2002, तो मुझे लगता है इसके बाद आपके पास 2 अटेम्प्ट है इसके बाद।
हो सकता है सर।
हाँ इसके,
एनडीए
अब
में
ये
तो
तो
ओवर एज हो गई।
हाँ एनडीए तो मेरी भी ओवर एज हो गई, अब की बार भर सकता था, लास्ट में वोटर रजिस्ट्रेशन कर दिया, फीस सबमिट होने पहले डेट निकल गई, ध्यान से निकल गई बात।
तुम्हारी कितनी विशाल?
मेरी है भाई 2003, जनवरी 2003।
बढ़िया।
भाई अब के देख के कोशिश करता हूँ कि हो जाएगा।
अरे भाई हो जाएगा। पहले भी बढ़िया सेलेक्ट हुए अपने ग्रुप से।
हाँ
ये हम
आपने,
2-4 बंदे रह गए। तुम रह गए, मैं रह गया, और गोविंद रह गया।
हाँ
ये
हाँ
3-4 बंदे रह गए थे, और तो सब हो गया।
हाँ सबका हो गया। एक वो था निरंजन बैक बेंचर्स,
हम्म।
अब वो तो आता ही नहीं भाई अब।
वो कल उससे बात हुई थी, वो बोल रहा मैं तुमको गाइड करूंगा कल वहीं आके। पता नहीं आ जाएगा नहीं।
चलो आएगा तो अच्छी बात है, अब कुछ बात बता ही देगा, कुछ गाइडेंस देगा। चलो
ऐसे
ठीक है
तो
भाई।
खैर बात होती रहती है। ठीक ठीक।
अच्छा
मिलते हैं कल
ठीक।
शाम को।